Okay, now we are going to work with the sets. So what is a set? A set is a collection of unordered indexed data items. Well, let's just start making the set and then you're going to understand everything. That's what the set actually going to do and make the things happen on the ground. So let's just start making this. This set, let's say, let's name it this set is equals to, we are using curly braces for the sets, that's the rule. So now let's use the apostrophe, let's write apple and then let's write blueberry and then let's write mango. Okay, so we have just created a set of the elements that is there. Now let's just write print and type this set. Okay, let's hit run. So as you can see, it's showing the pretty much way that we have done this here. But let me tell you something very interesting. Well, the order in the set is not sure. Well, it sometimes comes true, sometimes it not. So it is not going to index everything in the sequential way. Like the output could be like this. Let me show you. The output could be like this way. Like first can be mango, and then second can be apple, and then third can be blueberry. So the order of the set is actually not defined. Coincidentally, we are having the right order here. As you can see, when I hit the enter again and nothing changed here, like let's delete this up. I'm not doing any kind of magic, but the sequence actually changed up here. Let's run again and see. See, the sequence is getting changed as many as times I'm going to hit enter. So obviously you're going to get correct once. So this is how the set works. So the order is not defined in set and in the next one. Still, you can keep the information intact in this. And let's say that we want to do something more. Let's print here something. Print. Let's say we are printing apple in this set. So actually what we are doing and trying to do, let me tell you something that, let's write the comment for that first. We are checking that apple is the part of this set or not. So we are just checking that apple is a part of this set or not. We cannot do this simply out of like we can just go and see that all, because we are using just three information or three elements I can say in the set is called the element. Instead, if we are having 10,000 or 10 lakhs, oh my god, that's too much. And then we need to search something. I'm using particularly the word search. And you do not know that what can come, like it's in the first place or 10th place or 20th place, because you cannot output and you cannot read that. So the simplest thing that we use here is the in function that helps to check if the element is there or not. So let's hit run and let's see that what's going to pop up. True. So why the true came up? Well, the true came up because of this statement in the line number 6. So here's how the Boolean actually works. So it's the Boolean's beauty that is telling us the right answer, which is actually beautiful because Boolean is telling us that how we can express the things up, and Boolean is actually working that way. Okay, now with all that said, let's try something new here. Let's delete the unnecessary comments that I have made here. Okay, that just makes it clean, nothing much. Okay, let's add something now. Let's try on adding something, and I'm keeping it blank. That will going to help us understand that we're going to add something. By the way, this is the comment itself, so I'm going to use the comment right here. And now just let's add something. So this set dot add, and let's use the brackets here. Let's add the grapes, and now let's just check that if the grapes is added or not. Print this set. Okay, let's see that it's added. Yeah, the grapes are added and still the order is undefined. So it's working good. Okay, now let's just try to remove something. So we have just removed the apple. Just write it simply and print this set, and let's hit run. As you can see, the apple is removed because of the statement number 13 and 14 that we have just printed. So we can remove, we can add to the new sets. Like your class is adding with a new student, we are going to add new and new students. And if something goes wrong and someone takes off their admission, we need to remove their data. So that's how that thing works. So I hope you have enjoyed making the sets, and we are going to meet in the next one to create something new and exciting. Till the time, take care, God bless, and sayonara.